Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the load. Sort fabrics and remove items from pockets so the drum won't get damaged. Once done, place delicates in a mesh bag and balance heavy items with light ones to prevent vibration. Measure heat detergent precisely. Overuse causes residue and poor rinsing. Make sure the inlet hose is secure and the drain is clear before closing the door. Now select a wash load size close to the actual fill to save water and get better agitation. You now choose the program matching fabric and soil. For example, use delicate for silks and heavy for denim. Adjust temperature and spin speed. Higher temp for whites, lower for colors, to protect fibers. If the stain is fresh, engage pre-wash or a stain program so the machine loosens stains before the main wash. You should add liquid or powder to the correct compartment and use fabric softener in its slot. This avoids dispenser blockages. Make sure to confirm child lock is off before you press start and listen closely for the first few minutes. An odd thump or leak means pause and inspect. Once the cycle ends, remove clothes promptly to reduce wrinkling and run a quick spin only if items are still wet. If the machine won't start, check the door lock indicator and power supply. For leaks, inspect inlet and drain hose connections. If heavy vibration occurs, redistribute the load or adjust leveling feet. These steps get you reliable results and prevent damage.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.